Mm.
Careful. Mom, be careful. You don't want to break it.
Sí, no,
Son, you know, if you
eléctrico
break,
no.
if some, if one of those breaks, you have to buy it.